So when we're stressed, there are hormones in our body, in our bloodstream, that cause our blood pressure to increase and things like that, our heart rate to increase, which if we were in danger would be helpful. But in a prolonged state, that can actually be really harmful for our physical and mental health. So one activity that I really like is called the circles of concern, influence, and control. So the first circle, I want you to label it the circle of concern. And then inside that circle, I want you to draw a slightly smaller circle, and I want you to label that one the circle of influence. And inside that slightly smaller circle, I want you to draw another circle, and I want you to label that one the circle of control. So in the circle of concern, we're going to put things that we're worried about or stressed about that we actually have no control over. The weather, other people's opinions, the economy, things like that. In the circle of influence, we're going to put things that we're worried about and we might have some influence over, but we don't control them fully. And then in that circle of control, we're going to put the things that we absolutely have control over. So whether that's our healthy habits or self-care or budgeting, things like that, we're going to put in there. This can be really helpful for giving us perspective on the things that we can control and allowing us to resolve some of our stress and have perspective about things that we may not be able to influence or control. Hopefully that's helpful. Take good care of yourself.